is Gollai Hagun Suni, spinach and coconut milk. I'm gathering up all my fresh spinach. This is basically spinach that is ready and pre-washed in a bag that you can find at your local market, and I'm just going to chop it up. This classic dish is a staple and served in Guam cuisine, and typically chamorros would use taro leaves, but today taro leaves are very hard to find, and so for convenience we started to use spinach, and many use frozen spinach. You can also use canned spinach, but here I'm using fresh spinach. This is my spinach all chopped up. All right, so I'm going to place this spinach to the side. I'm going to bring in a little bit more because I want about 2 cups of spinach for this recipe. I have a little over 2 cups of fresh spinach. You can add a little bit more if you like. I'm slicing up a fresh lemon. I'm only going to be using about half of it. The other half will be for garnish. All right, friends, this part is totally optional. I'm adding 3 Thai red chili peppers. I am leaving the seeds because I like the dish to be spicy. I love the extra heat and kick that this recipe calls for. Generally, there is spice to this dish, but you can totally omit this if you like by not adding any chili peppers. Or if you just want a little kick, maybe throw in 1 or 2 chili peppers and de-seed the peppers. So that way it's not too spicy and more tolerable for many. And these are the peppers all chopped up. On low heat, I'm adding 1 teaspoon olive oil with 2 cups of spinach, and I'm going to stir it up just so the spinach can wilt just a bit. I'm adding 1 canned unsweetened coconut milk. 1 teaspoon onion powder. You can also use fresh onions. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon sea salt. 1 teaspoon ginger. You can also add fresh ginger. And I'm adding about a teaspoon of turmeric. Right, now that I have all the spices in, I'm stirring it up. I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon powder, which is optional. A tablespoon of lemon juice. If you don't do lemon powder, you can add another tablespoon of lemon juice, more or less to taste. Now I'm going to stir everything up, and again, I'm doing this on low heat because I don't want to bring this to a boil. Spinach does cook fast and it does wilt easily. And I'm going to take a little test. And because I use unsweetened coconut milk, I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of brown sugar because the brown sugar will balance out the tanginess and the spices. So once all the ingredients and spices are combined and stirred well, go ahead and try it again like I'm doing here, and I feel that everything is perfect, so I'm going to add my 3 chili peppers. Again, these peppers are optional, but if you feel that you need a little bit more lemon juice, add a little bit more lemon juice, more salt, add more salt, more turmeric. I mean, it's more or less. Many of this is by preference, so more or less to taste. If you used regular canned coconut milk, that's already sweetened. You probably don't need the sugar. Again, that's by preference as well. And this is how it looks up close and personal. Again, you can add more spinach. So this recipe consists of 2 cups of fresh spinach. So if you feel you want a little bit more spinach, you can add another half a cup or a cup, all by preference. Gollai Hagun Suni, or spinach and coconut milk. This vegan recipe is a family favorite. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. The rich taste of coconut milk with tender spinach. It's tangy, it has a little heat added to it. So many health benefits by adding ginger and turmeric. You can serve this over steamed rice, eat it by itself, or really you can serve this with almost any dish. It's this good. Follow me on Instagram at Reese's Recipes for more easy, simple, and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Many blessings.